Hey there, Alchemical team. You guys are amazing. Just wanted to give you a really big thanks in a short period of time, saying just what a difference you made as far as holding that safety net or that loving net, that all the attention that you gave to us. It just made such a difference for me in my experience of, having the alchemical experience that we were having collectively as well as individually. And each and every one of you offered your gifts in your own way and really secured a wonderful net of support. So I thank you. I thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart and really, really appreciate all the love that you gave to us and to me individually. Okay. Take good care. I hope to see you soon. And yeah, be well.